If you've ever needed scalable, editable graphics, whether for branding, illustration, or icon design, vector art is your best friend. And now, with Adobe Firefly's text-to-vector feature, you can generate detailed vector images from a simple text prompt. No drawing skills required. Just describe what you want, and Firefly turns your words into professional-grade SVG files that you can edit in Illustrator. Here's how to get started. Step 1. Open the text-to-vector module. From the Adobe Firefly homepage, head to the Vector module and select Text-to-Vector. This opens a workspace where you can generate vector graphics using AI. Step 2. Choose your model under General Settings. You'll see a drop-down labeled Model. This lets you choose between Adobe's Firefly model and partner models, like GPT-Image. For this walkthrough, we'll focus on the Firefly model, which is optimized for generating clean, editable vector art. Keep in mind, generation settings may vary depending on the model you choose. If you're using a non-Adobe model, refer to its specific instructions. Step 3. Select a content type. Next, choose your content type. Subject is ideal for standalone icons or objects. Scene is best for full compositions with backgrounds and multiple elements. For example, a prompt like a toucan sitting among tropical foliage with scene selected will generate a full environment. But that same prompt with subject selected will generate a clean, isolated graphic. Step 4. Add style and effects. In the left panel, you'll find additional prompts to fine-tune your output. Styles. Upload a reference image to guide the look and feel of your generated vector. Firefly will match the style, such as color palette, geometry, texture, of your reference. Effects. Choose from presets like minimalism, 3D, or geometric, and adjust color and tone to match your brand or aesthetic. These controls help you steer the output towards your creative vision. Step 5. Write your prompt. In the prompt field, describe the vector image you want to generate. Use clear, direct language. At least 3 words is a good rule of thumb. Examples. Pixel art coffee cup inside the moon. Pink candy house in a cloud. A frog holding an umbrella on a rainy street. The more specific your prompt, the more tailored your results. Step 6. Generate and explore variations. Click Generate to create your vector. Firefly will produce multiple variations for you to choose from. Hover over each variation to access the following options. Use a style reference. This adds it to the reference panel on the left. Open an Illustrator. This launches the SVG file directly in Adobe Illustrator, if it's installed on your computer. Download. This saves the file in SVG format for editing or sharing. Rate. This option allows you to provide feedback to help improve future generations. Copy. Once copied, you could paste the vector directly into your design workflow. Step 7. View your history. Want to revisit previous generations? Click the history icon next to the Generate button to open the generation history strip. This shows all of the vectors you've created in your current browser session. All right, those are the steps to get you started with text-to-vector within Firefly. Remember, vectors are building blocks of visual identity. And because they're editable, they invite iteration, collaboration, and refinement. Even if you're not a trained illustrator, this feature opens the door into graphic design for everyone.